Question 24. OAC CB is a parallelogram. We're given some information about this parallelogram. We're told that the O to A can be expressed by vector A, O to B by AB. We're told D is on the point, so D is the point such that AC is exactly the same as CD. That's the vector AC is the same as CD. We're told that the point N divides AB in the ratio 2 to 1, so A to N is double the distance N to B. And our first task is to write an expression for ON in terms of AB, and the second task, it says proof, but it should say prove that OND is a straight line. So we'll start with the first task. We've got to go from O to N using vectors. We'll go from O to N. Now, let's have a look how we can do that. We could say that A to N, okay, so we're going to do O to N, so we need about A to N as well. So let's have a look at A to N. A to N is going to be 2/3 A to B. And so therefore O to N is going to equal O to A plus 2/3 A to B. So O to A is easy enough, that's A. A to N, well, if we look at A to N, we have to do minus A plus B. So and that's A to B, should I say. A to B then is minus A plus B. So therefore A to N is going to be 2/3, sort of be like A down to about there and across like that. So that's the 2/3 AB. So we can write in then that ON equals A plus 2/3, and it is B minus A, or A minus A plus B. So I'm going to put B minus A. And that's going against the A, that's the minus, and then plus the B. Now we need to tidy that up a little bit. So we've got A plus 2B over 3 minus 2/3 A. And so you can bring the A's together. A minus 2/3 A is 1/3. So we're going to have 1/3 A plus 2B over 3. And if we want to go one stage further, we can say it's 1/3 of A plus 2B. That is O to N. Now we're going to prove that OND is a straight line. So we've got OND. OND is a straight line. We know that AC is B, and we know that CB is exactly the same as B. So all I really need to show here is that if I can do O to D and show that it's in the same direction as O to N, then it's on a straight line. Now we know that O to N, we've worked that out, that's 1/3 A plus 2B. So I've simply got to show that O to D is a multiple of A plus 2B. So let's have a look at O to D. Then O to D is going to equal O to A followed by A to D. And O to A is A to D is going to be 2B, so we can see clearly that OD is in fact a multiple of ON. So the OD equals, so OD in fact equals 3 lots of ON, and of course it has the common point N. So once you have a common point and you're going in the same direction, then you must be a straight line. So we've shown that OD equals 3 lots of ON, and it has the common point N, and that proves that OND is a straight line.